Chuck White with PHCC talking to you today about employee retention credits related to COVID-19. The U.S. Treasury has released a document IR 2020-62 pertaining to this. Employee retention credits are an effort to give money back to employers to help keep people working during this time of crisis. This program is not for state and local governments or for small businesses that take small business loans. Small business loans would be an alternate option, but not in conjunction with this. What this covers, people who are eligible, either number one, businesses that are suspended or partially suspended by government COVID-19 order, or employers that have gross receipts that are 50% below comparable 2019 quarters. So your business this year is down by half compared to last year. Those folks are eligible. If you qualify under this 50% reduction and your business rebounds so that you come back above 80% of what it was in 2019, you would be terminated from this program. So there is some regulation on that method. What this does, it credits 50% of qualified wages up to $10,000 per employee, and it is for time periods between March 12 of 2020 and January 1 of 2021. So it's a big window for help. Included in this, it can include the portion of the cost of employer-provided health care. So that money is also considered part of your expenses of wages that you're providing that. It can be included in this. The program is based on your average number of workers, average monthly workers over last year. If you averaged less than 100 workers, you may use all of the wages of your workers to be calculated, not just workers that are not working, but all workers under employment. If you're an organization with greater than 100 workers, you may only consider wages paid to those that are not working, only your employees that are not working. You will be reimbursed by reducing your tax payments. So the withholding that you pay monthly based on your employees, that amount is available to offset this $10,000. You will not have to make those deposits. Starting in quarter 2, you will report the total wages and the health costs on your Form 941, the typical 941 that most employers will file to report their taxes quarterly. If your deposits, what you would normally make monthly, if your deposits are insufficient to cover the credit, so if you have up to $10,000 per employee and you don't have enough expenses to cover that, you can request an advance from the government on Form 7200. 7200 covers several things, but this employee retention credit would be covered on that. As I've said before in previous talks, we are not tax people. We are not the Treasury. We are only trying to pass along the best information we have available. For this particular issue, I cannot stress enough, seek tax advice. Talk to the tax professionals, either your accountants or tax folks, whoever you work with, to understand this. This could be significant sums to help keep people working in the coming months, and you should really understand the ramifications of this before you start. If you have other questions, we have a lot of information posted on the PHCC website, phccweb.org. We have a COVID-19 resources page. Please go check that out. We're trying to get information out as quickly as possible. Please let us know if there's anything we can do, or you have any questions, just contact PHCC and let us know. Thank you, and I hope you all stay safe.